Hello and welcome. So we have 17 videos so far. Channel is starting. Vibrations are going up. In today's episode, I will show you a few things, including including link, and a statement that you could be a criminal. Okay, maybe you are a criminal already, and you even don't know about this thing. So let's start. Hello everyone and welcome. Check out this disclaimer and remember everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. I'm not financial advisor, not tax advisor, whatever. I'm just a dude like you and me. So let's go. So first of all, Bitcoin, nothing changed, okay? I think at the moment we are in this correction, and if we will going to lose a point of control here, which is around 26,000, then I think we're gonna go and continue this fall here the way like we do like here, and then maybe we will going to have a big runabout up. Okay, that's what I can see here. If we're gonna take a look this on the waves, at the moment we are still under this 50 moving average ribbon, so still towards down. Okay. Today on Telegram I have shown this setup of WLD, and I think it's going on the fifth wave. Later on then you could short this probably on max. It's a proposition to short. So let's take a look at the zoom in here on the Bitcoin. At the moment we have the liquidations here at this level, and if we will use them and go above 26,500, I think we can regain this. Oh, 1 second. I think we can regain this level here, okay, and we could stay here, which will sound that we could break this channel and go up. Okay, we go up. Remember that bearish September is nearly finished. Let's go to see few coins here. Okay, so B Bank, I think it's going to start now correction. Okay, well, is at the moment is retesting these lows here. I was buying actually at this level here, so I'm underwater now, but it's kind of long term, no problem. Once base will start, the base chain will start recovering, yeah, then I think this well will also start to recovering. So I have no worries. Like I'm keeping this. I think then go down again to level 3000, so I will be in around 50% loss. No problem. Till I'm not going to sold, no problem. Then I'm not going to sell, no problem. At the moment, I see that we could have a possibility of print another lower high in run. Here you see, one moment. Look. Lower high here, and then we could retest this 50 moving average, and then we could generate another higher high. Okay, another higher high. What else? Aave, my sweet Aave is starting to get in this traction here at 50 at EMA ribbon. Okay, 50 EMA ribbon, and as you can see, this level here is quite good for going up. Okay, compound. Now, compound is gathering under this 50-day moving average. So once it's going to break, watch out, because we can then expect huge move. Like all these coins, look, I'm going to just show you all these coins. All, not here. All these coins look near, okay? Look, near. Look at ADA. Look at Atom. Look at Avax. Look, divergence. Look at DOT. All these coins have positive, bullish divergence. That's the first thing. Then they are like set for explosion, and it's everything or nothing. If Bitcoin will move up, these coins definitely will go after Bitcoin, and then you can expect some sort of gains, right? So NEAR will have shortly in November, NEAR, one second, how do we call that? NEARCon event, where maybe some new functions of NEAR will be released. So then NEAR could even go to $1.5, even 1.8, depends from the news. So that's why I'm looking at this. I'm looking when at the 5-hour time frame, coin will break these EMA ribbons, okay, this 15 moving average. So that's what I would kind of show you today. I will not going to show any other coins like a VRA has plenty of setups. Remember, every time you will see now falling wedge, okay, with regain of the level like this, yeah, this is then the setup that you're supposed to watch. Let's just take a look at Synth swap as well. Just 1 second. Synth swap went down to our hold position here at 9 and then regained. So I think the correction WXY is finished now at the Synth swap. I will wait here because it's supposed to go a little bit sideways, and I'm averaging my cost. So I purchased here the first time, then I sold a lot here. I purchased a little bit here, purchased a little bit here, purchased a little bit here, purchased. My price of average is about $15. So I'm waiting on this project, and once the base will start noting more funds, I think this project will wake up finally. Okay, wake up. So let's go to the news. Look, the traction which is now going, here, okay, new orders, it's falling down. Look, diffusion index shows 16 and now it's minus 10. Unfilled orders minus 48 and now minus 13. That means that there are no new buyers in economy. New orders, okay, falling down. Unfilled orders, they were minus and now they are huge minus. Prices paid are going down than prices received. So that's a loss for the companies, yeah. Employees, I don't know, like -6 and -5, like a wow, huge increase. Oh my God, I mean, huge, it's improvement. But how come the number of employees are improving if the general production is falling down? This is the federal government current expenditures interest payment. So, Fed funding rate, when let's say shadow banks and other institutions are keeping money in a Fed funding rate, in a Fed repo facility, Fed funds, then Fed have to pay them, yeah, the percentage. So the cost of doing so is on increase. And this is probably happens to every other nation where the high interest rates demand that this debt which is issued by the government will cost more. So what I'm trying to say here, this situation will not going to last long. Like I showing you in a previous video, yeah, I'm going to show you a few times in this week as well. We are not able to go like this. And if I'm going to show you later on, if I'm going to show you now, actually, where we are, bankruptcy. Look, this is the bankruptcy levels. We have a great recession 2008. We have a 2020. Okay, the great pandemic, yeah, and now 2023. Look, the distance between these two crises were kind of, let's say, 12 years, but the distance between this and this level is very short. What I think is going to happen is like we're going to go the same way and then pump, but the distance between this and this will be just a year, maybe year and a half. So the big date will be 2025. So if you're going to see a scary movie in some media and a television, radio, remember that it's going to be printed out. It's going to be just covered with a lot of prints. Inflation probably go up, but the market will not going to crash long term. It's just going to be pick, hold up, and then bam, up. So this is the place where you can figure out what to do. So fear, no problemo. Here, a few coins are going up, like not major things, yeah. And this is the news that I was telling you about. I can call you a criminal, okay? Are you a criminal? Look, Deutsche Bank received a fine, $25 million, because they didn't apply the newest rules, the AMA rule, anti-money laundering. And that's my question is, okay? If, let's say, somebody is using a Bitcoin Cash or maybe gold or silver into some sort of illegal transactions. Okay, how come everyone and let's say we're gonna have, this is the entire use case of currencies, yeah, and this is human trafficking, weapons, drug dealers, whatever. Okay, this. So how come to catch these? Okay, the entire population have to be AML'd, KYC, and so on. So does it mean that this, let's say, half percentage of, let's say, illegal use of cash, of whatever, yeah, will going to apply for 99.95%, okay, 95%, sorry, 0.05, okay, 95% of entire population who's using just normal day-to-day transactions, but they have to do KYC, they have to do this, they have to do AML, they have to whatever, okay? So if somebody suddenly will break a leg going on the street, does it mean that all the roads, all the footpaths, everything have to be changed in the way that nobody will ever break a leg because one person broke a leg? You know what I mean? Like for me it's silly. So you can, I think, freely call every politician you will see or everyone on some sort of event of whatever speeches about politics or financial things. Yeah, you can call them robbers, burglars, fancy actors, whatsoever. And if someone will say, well, you will say, no. AML treats me like a criminal because I have to give my documents. Well, I can call you the same way and prove me that you are not a criminal. Prove me, show me your money. That's it. This is the argument which not going to be, let's say, popular. You know what I mean? And it won't be leveraged by the second side. And another thing, I don't know how I'm supposed to treat this article. Tether is confused in Singapore. And I'm looking, what? Tether fought? They accusing Tether that Tether does not allow Singapore-based companies to, or companies which they are outside of the Singapore, but they have Singapore-based directors or owners to use Tether. Okay, and they are saying that after Tether implement this policy, that was in May 2020, one company was able to redeem Tether after 14 and 18 in May 2020. But we are talking about 2020. So I don't understand what this food is, this fear, uncertainty, and doubt is used for. Hello, like, you know what I mean? Like, what's the story? Like, we have 2023 and they are describing some bullshit, like, right? Chainlink, the great Chainlink applied silently one upgrade. They reduce multi-signature from 9 people to 8 people. And I think Chainlink will be orchestrated doom of the end of the next bull run. Think only, if 8 people decide what Oracle shows, and if Chainlink suddenly will feed wrong prices, let's say something costs $8 and Chainlink will show $5. The massive liquidations, loans, and whatever trades will happen, and this will cause market crash, uncertainty, lack of trust, lack of whatever, yeah, because somebody decided to do so. That's why we need the decentralized stuff. I urged you to follow Chris Belk, because this man is, since the beginning, showing weaknesses of so-called DeFi system. Very good guy. I am following him. And here we have this recession things. This is a Tesla day. So remember, Opti, yeah, this coin, the meme coin, could launch at 30th of September. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. We can take a look just here. Where is it? Optimus, I don't know. Looks like it's going above 50 day moving average. And look at the retest here. And Tesla day is on the 30th. I don't know. If you want, you can use this thing. Who knows? NEAR will have its NEARCon in Lisbon days. Maybe something else will be shown there. That's why, NEAR could pump a little bit. And IDX still do not have that the leverage gas-free trading platform, still do not have its own mainnet. So this testnet, buy the rumor, sell the news, could still be going on. Look, I would think it's a nice setup now or never. So I entered into Idex, and I set my stop loss just below this this level for 0.047, and we will see if it's gonna be pumping to 5.6. Nice, I will have a 16% gains. And that's it for today. Take care, and remember, soon it's gonna happen. The market will not going to last long with these high rates from Fed. See ya.